This is a teardown of a DeLorme Earthmate GPS LT-20. Some sort of USB GPS receiver. Had a cable attached, but I cut it off. Wasn't worth selling, so I got tired of looking at it. It's been sitting in my office for a while. I'm not sure what to do with it, and yeah, it just isn't worth selling. So this is its fate. You get to see what's inside. So I'll take out those screws. Well, that's a little disappointing. Got a metal can covering everything, of course, and a weird block. It's a ceramic block with a metal pad and a blob of solder in the middle. Let's see if we can pry this off. I don't suspect it being super strong. There we go. Aha! Quite a bit under here. So, got a chip there, a crystal. Got something, focus, and something else. It's magic. And another crystal right down there. Very busy board, considering everything's all on this side. Nothing to see here other than a, looks like an indicator light maybe? Yeah, that looks like an LED of some sort. I don't think, oh yeah, there's the pass-through for the LED. But, yeah, let's see if I can hold my hand steady for people who want to get a good look. I figure out a better way to do this. I've been accused of having shaky hands, which is true. Gotta get close enough to the camera for it to focus. And hold it steady. Oh, one finger. No more shaking. Nope, shaking worse. Oh boy. Either way, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.